In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up project budget tracking on Monday.com so you can monitor planned costs, actual spending, and overall budget performance in one clean, automated system. Whether you're managing client projects, internal operations, or marketing campaigns, having a structured budget tracker inside Monday.com can save you hours of manual spreadsheet work and give you real-time financial visibility. Make sure to stick around until the end, where I'll also show you how to build a simple dashboard to visualize everything. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. Step 1 is creating your budget tracking board. From your Monday.com workspace, click on the plus Add button, then select New Board. Name the board Project Budget Tracker, so it's clear and easy to find later. You can choose either a main board or a table view setup. For most teams, a main board works perfectly because it allows collaboration and visibility across members. Once the board is created, think of each item in the board as a project, task, or cost category that you want to track. Now we'll add the key budget columns that will power your tracking system. Click the plus icon to add a new column and select the numbers column type. Rename this column to Budgeted Cost. This is where you'll enter the planned or allocated amount for each project or task. Next, add another numbers column and rename it to Actual Cost. This is where you'll input the real amount spent as the project progresses. After that, add a formula column and rename it to Variance. This column will automatically calculate the difference between what you plan to spend and what you actually spent. Finally, if you'd like a quick visual indicator, add a status column and rename it to Budget Status. You can customize the labels to say on track, over budget, or under budget. Next, let's configure the variance formula. Click into the variance column settings and enter the following formula. Open curly bracket, budgeted cost, close curly bracket, minus, open curly bracket, actual cost, close curly bracket. Once you apply this formula, Monday.com will automatically calculate the remaining budget for each line item. If the result is positive, you're under budget. If it's negative, you've exceeded your planned amount. This simple automation removes manual calculations and reduces errors instantly. Now that your board is calculating budget performance, let's create a dashboard for high-level tracking. Click on Dashboards in the left sidebar and select New Dashboard. Connect your project budget tracker board to this dashboard so it can pull in live data. Start by adding a numbers widget to display the total budgeted cost and total actual cost across all items. This gives you an immediate overview of overall financial health. Next, add a chart widget so you can break down spending by category, owner, or project phase. Then insert a battery widget to visually show budget consumption progress, which is perfect for presentations or executive reporting. Finally, add a table widget if you want a summarized top-level view of your most important budget items. With this setup, you now have a fully functional project budget tracking system inside Monday.com. You can expand this by adding automations, connecting time tracking columns, or even integrating with other tools to pull in real expense data. The beauty of this system is that it's flexible, scalable, and updates in real time as your team works. And that's it. You've successfully set up project budget tracking on Monday.com with automated variance calculations and a visual dashboard. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.